The NGAD is a United States future sixth-generation fighter, designed to dominate the skies with stealth, artificial intelligence, and independent drones and air superiority missions. Today, we will reveal more about it. Subscribe to the channel and watch our other videos. In the silence of Nevada desert runways, under the shadow of the mountains surrounding the legendary Area 51, a new era of American military aviation is taking shape. This is the NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance, the most ambitious and secretive program of the United States Air Force since the development of the F-22 Raptor. More than just a fighter jet, NGAD represents a complete system of air superiority, designed to dominate the skies for decades to come against increasingly sophisticated threats. NGAD was born from the realization that today's fifth-generation fighters, advanced as they are, face limitations in the face of China's rapid military expansion, Russia's modernization, and the advancement of anti-access/area denial A2/AD technologies. The need to maintain air superiority in a high-tech warfare scenario led the Pentagon to rethink not just aircraft, but the entire combat ecosystem. Unlike previous programs, NGAD is not a single aircraft, but an interconnected system of platforms, manned and unmanned aircraft, sensors, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge weapon systems. At the center of this ecosystem will be a new manned fighter, extremely stealthy, capable of high-altitude flight, superior maneuverability, and operating in a network with autonomous drones known as Loyal Wingmen. The first flight of the NGAD prototype is said to have taken place in 2020 under strict secrecy. The U.S. Air Force confirmed only that a sixth-generation technology demonstrator had successfully flown without releasing images, specifications, or manufacturer details. Evidence points to the involvement of Lockheed Martin, Skunk Works, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman, all competing to lead the final production phase. Rumors suggest the NGAD fighter will fly at speeds exceeding Mach 2, with stealth capabilities across multiple spectrums, not only radar but also infrared and acoustic. It will be able to penetrate the most advanced defense systems on the planet and carry out precision strikes, even in zones where fifth-generation jets would not survive. It's expected to feature sensor fusion, directed energy weapons, such as lasers, and hypersonic missiles. One of the most groundbreaking features is the integration of onboard artificial intelligence. The jet will be assisted by AI algorithms that support tactical decision-making, threat prioritization, and even autonomous dogfighting. It will also be capable of commanding swarms of loyal drones, flying alongside it on strike, defense, or reconnaissance missions, greatly expanding its reach and lethality. GAD's modular and open architecture will allow for rapid upgrades. Unlike traditional models that take decades to evolve structurally, NGAD will be able to incorporate new technologies on much shorter cycles. This marks a radical shift in the way fighter jets are designed and maintained. The program also raises concerns about cost and quantity. The U.S. Air Force has already indicated that NGAD will be significantly more expensive than the F-35, potentially limiting the number of units produced. However, the concept of operations doesn't require large fleets. Each aircraft, paired with autonomous drones, can perform multiple roles that previously required entire squadrons. Operational entry for NGAD is expected sometime in the 2030s, possibly around 2035. It is set to gradually replace the F-22 Raptor in air superiority missions. The F-35 Lightning II, meanwhile, will continue to operate as a multi-role fighter, focused on ground attack and interoperability with allied forces. Elsewhere in the world, countries like China and Russia are also developing their own sixth-generation programs. China is quietly working on a successor to the J-20, while Russia signals that the Su-57 is only a preliminary step toward more advanced projects. The technological race is on, and NGAD is America's bid to retain global air supremacy. In the end, NGAD is more than an aircraft. It is a symbol of the transformation of air combat in the 21st century, a fusion of man, machine, and artificial intelligence, designed not only to win battles, but to reinvent warfare in the skies. Silent, lethal, and invisible, the future is already flying, even if we can't yet see it.